Thank you for visiting the CoinSeries channel again. You can rely on me to report the news as it occurs. I will not withhold information from you just because I think it will affect the price or because I would prefer you not to hear it. Just so everyone knows, this delisting will only impact Crypto.com in the US and Canada, and that's before we even begin the movie. Calm down, we already took this possibility into consideration. My aim is to guarantee that all individuals have an equal opportunity to get the roots that, should this materialize, you may be contemplating in the coming weeks. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm meeting new individuals. These kinds of pictures and sounds are happening to me, and they are, to put it gently, not very steady. If you happen to be in the United States, I think it's my moral obligation to prepare you for that possibility. Even though I won't be discussing them here, there will be many more conversations like these. They are all hypothetical, of course, designed to show you what you're capable of. I'll only go over 5 here. Your first choice will be presented afterwards. If you've been having second thoughts about owning assets, this might be the deciding factor. You must feel safe knowing that an exchange is holding all of your cryptocurrency, correct? The idea of transferring cryptocurrency to a new location is also somewhat terrifying. Yes, I still get apprehensive about sending a transaction, even though I've been dealing with cryptocurrency for 2 years. Even though I had previously sent money to that wallet, I am still terrified. I understand now. Scared shitless. I think you should create a Terra Station wallet immediately. Okay, you may do this by downloading the app. The description will include all the links you need to join. On top of that, I'll let you know what's going to be linked in a little black box over there. At the very bottom of the movie, you'll see links to my instructional playlist. In there, you'll find all the information you need to finish the work, including how to stake it. The most important thing that came up first thing this morning is now up for discussion. Most importantly, you can gamble and earn more using your own assets if you have them on station. Sure, you'll be able to earn some money in the event that you opt to follow this process. This seems like the most secure option, so I wouldn't be shocked if you went ahead and did it. That depends on how you handle your anomic safe and the coins within. Just imagine, in the event that I ever need to sell them, I can just return them to the exchange. Excellent reasoning, Jay. We will address additional exchanges in the film if this does happen, though obviously not on Crypto.com. I stand by my earlier statement that this is the best option available to anybody. Our prices are rock bottom, and we won't shy away from charging $1 million for a $20 move. Although you will need to account for band fees and taxes, it is still rather inexpensive. Moving your Luna Classic is thus absolutely effortless, even with the updated ustc. Staking your LUNC through your station, or delegating, allows you to get more out of your money. Earning ustc bonuses is an additional perk. Since learning is fundamental to the crypto experience and journey, I believe this is the best course of action for you to follow before we go any further. Do your best to learn as much as you can. This may serve as the last motivation for you to take the plunge, as I indicated earlier. Here we will examine 2 transactions that may be of great benefit to you. Among them, Kraken does support UNC. Based on my quick Google search, it appears that they do have a location and a program for LUNC, hence, it is definitely within the realm of possibility. A new approach is used this time. In my opinion, the first option that came to mind was the best one. After this one, we can move on to the next. A decentralized exchange, DEX, is what this is, in case the word is foreign to you. It's very similar to an exchange, except that it doesn't have a master controller. The pancake switch is absolutely brilliant. You are more than welcome to make use of their swapping assistance and related features. Participating in a DEX activities necessitates the completion of predetermined tasks, such as crafting a particular type of wallet. There is more to it than just a trade. In case you were wondering, there's also BidGet. The description has all the info you need to sign up. The great stuff you see on BidGet is definitely up for grabs. It's clearly an auction. For that reason, you can't skip this one. Take advantage of this chance. To make the most of this bull run, it's crucial to diversify your holdings and get listed on many exchanges. When Crypto.com gets involved in the next bull run, you will not be able to predict its outcome. So, I think we should go on to the next one, which is also a good one. This country has every single one of them. As previously stated, I have confirmed that it is definitely something in which you are able to take part. I tried out a few meme coins on MPX, and it's great. Day trading allows me to swiftly trade long in the event of big swings outside of my larger trades. That being said, it's definitely something to consider for all Canadians and Americans. I will go back to the first option and explain its significance after I have thought about all 5. A ledger is also available to go along with this. Because it works with our native wallet, the station wallet, your LUNC can be securely kept on a ledger. That is a very safe method to do things. If you choose to take my advice and use all of these measures, remember to protect your recovery term, also known as phonomics. Writing things down will help. I would suggest going to a local computer store and getting a password-protected USB drive instead of buying one from eBay or another online vendor. Okay, because it likely contains software that is eagerly awaiting your arrival into it unintentionally. As I indicated earlier, you should acquire an authentic one and store your nomics safely. For digital storage, an encrypted USB drive is another option to think about. One digital and one physical copy are now at your disposal. My humble opinion. I work in that field. That is how I handle things. Do not save these in the notes section of your phone. Okay, unless you have encrypted notes that require a password, you've got a lot. Put an end to it. It makes sense to me. Since you can't predict when you could make a mistake, it's wise to err on the side of caution. It makes sense to me, critically important. You don't have to stress about this since, as I said at the beginning of the movie, the market price already takes this into consideration. Preparation is key, which is why I made this video. This is to let you know in case the situation I described previously is really playing out. I, on the other hand, am a little bit. I think confused is the best word to characterize the issue because there has been no clear declaration other than their choice not to do it. I thought maybe they were doing wallet maintenance or that they had forgotten to cancel a planned procedure. At least you have the data now, even if this is just a false alarm. At least you have opportunities, so you can dive into this. If you're still with me, you should know that the movie ends with a monthly gift of 10,000 ustc. It's an important part. Also, every month, 1 million UNC will be awarded to the best 3 commentators. If you're interested in becoming engaged, you can delegate tasks to us at accfactory.com, where we have all those tutorials and auto-compounding. All you have to do is leave a comment, give it a like, and share it on social media using the hashtag #LUNC. You can count on us to help you validate or invalidate the chain. You may find links on our Patreon page. Lately, we've been predicting a lot of winners, and some of them have made 345 times their initial investment. I have been personally contacting these alpha winners in addition to providing them with daily updates, portfolio upgrades, and all of our other services. In case you're interested in getting involved, you can find links to the HT Algo indicator in the description. It's accessible to everyone, not just Patreon members. By the time you read this, either the video will have dropped or another video explaining the indicator in greater detail will be posted soon. Some of you may remember seeing a little scene from it in our previous film. Obtained the indicator, which was a stroke of genius because it has let me make approximately $600 trading meme coins on the random using the indicator, so it is certainly not something to be dismissed lightly. The creators are real, high-quality people, and we've seen several bull runs. With that, the video comes to a close. Subscribing and like is always appreciated. Coming up shortly, farewell.